I don't like it. I'm gonna start over. Okay, let's try this again. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I know that I'm looking crazy right now. I don't know, maybe you can't tell, but I can tell. My locks are so dry right now. Today was actually supposed to be wash day for me. I was supposed to get my life together, do a little curl set, you know, just all the things. But plans changed, and now I actually have to go out in public, which is not something that I was prepared for today. Last night I slept with my hair like up in a bun, so it was just pulled back like this, just crazy. I didn't even tie my hair down last night. I was so tired. Didn't do any type of prep, didn't moisturize, didn't do nothing, because today was supposed to be wash day. But today is no longer wash day. That's gonna have to be pushed to tomorrow. And right now I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair in the meantime, because I need to retighten my hair, I need to wash it, I need to deep condition, I need to hot oil treatment something. It just needs help. So today, I'm just gonna try to put my hair back into a bun, because it's just the easiest thing that I can think of, because there's no type of curl, no type of bounce, anything going on with my hair right now. So yeah, I can give you a quick little 360 before I get started. It looks a mess, I know. In the meantime, a bun is just gonna have to work, and I need to do this very quickly. So I'm gonna show you what I do whenever I style my bun. Normally whenever I do a bun, I just kind of do a low bun, like a low messy bun, but I kind of want to make it look a little bit more put together today, kind of, if I can, with what I have to work with. If y'all follow me on Instagram and you watch my stories, then you know that the other day I had the most perfectly shaped bun I've had in my entire life. I'm gonna try to replicate that today. Let's see if I can do it. My hair is, like I said, not in the best shape right now, but that's okay. It's alright, it happens to the best of us. We're gonna get through it. To do that bun, the only thing that I used was a really stretched out hair tie. I also used my favorite oil. This is just a weightless coconut oil. It smells so good. I love this stuff. Alright, let's get started with the bun. Let's see what we can do. So I'm gonna start off by spraying my hair with some water first, just to make it a little bit more pliable. I legit haven't moisturized my hair like at least 3 days. At least 3. And that's not good, because it's cold out right now for the most part, and my hair's been getting really dry lately. Normally it's the opposite for me though. Normally in the wintertime my hair just flourishes, and in the summertime that's when my hair is super dry. But for some reason this year it's just been the opposite. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my coconut oil. This smells so good. Okay, and now for the bun. If your locks are really thick like mine, you're gonna need a really super stretched out hair tie, because we're gonna be wrapping it around twice instead of just once like I normally do, just to give you like a really tight look. Honestly, I don't even know if I can call this a tutorial, because I've only done this correctly one time, and I'm just trying. I'm praying that I'm able to replicate it, because I thought that it looked really good the other day. So really y'all just watching me style my hair, and let's see if it comes out right. Just gather all of your locks like this. Instead of gathering your locks like down here, you're gonna want to try to move it up to the middle of your head, if that makes any sense. And then we're gonna wrap around once, and then wrap it around another time, like that. Now I'm just kind of playing with the shape of the bun. I don't like it. I'm gonna start over. Okay, let's try this again. this time. I think that it looks pretty good, except this one part. I don't know why, but it bothers me so bad whenever my ear is like above, like covering a little bit of my hair right here. Like I have to have my ear tucked underneath my hair. I don't know if any of y'all are like that too, but that bothers me for some reason. And then I have like this little baby lock right here. And sometimes I just let her go free, but today we have to cover her up a little bit because that just looks crazy to have that little, that's like a little unicorn horn just sticking out like that. Yeah, I think that the bun looks good. With these little pieces that are kind of sticking out, I'm just gonna tuck it in. I think that it looks good. If I had some mousse, I would just kind of use the mousse to kind of slick this part down a little bit and then use my hair tie to tie it down for a couple of minutes. Don't know if I have the time to do that today, but you could. And y'all, this hairstyle is really perfect for if you have locks and you want to wear like turtlenecks and stuff like that, since it is getting colder out, but you don't want to have to worry about too much length. This is a really great option. Now I know that my sweater is black, but if I was wearing like a pink or a white sweater that I know would probably be prone to like shedding a little bit, this is a great hairstyle option. For one, whenever you're wearing a turtleneck that's this high up like mine, I kind of try to have it like folded down because I don't like when my neck is covered all the way up here like this. I just feel like it's more flattering whenever you have your hair pulled back when you wear turtlenecks. And it's also a great way to keep lint from collecting in your locks. As far as doing my edges, maybe I'll do it a little bit. So for my edges, I do like to use this CBD Edge Grow gel. It is gold, as you can see, and kind of sparkly. And it smells so good. This one smells like coconut. Whenever I do my edges, I really don't do too much because honestly, it's just not my forte. I'm just gonna give my hair like one last little spray. Okay, and we're done. So I went from this to a cute little slick-ish bun. I feel like when you have locks, you can't really truly get a slick back bun because locks are just naturally a little bit frizzy depending on your hair texture, your hair type, all that stuff. So this amount of frizz honestly doesn't bother me that much. I think that it looks cute still. You can still tell that I have locks, I feel like. So I'm not too worried about it. Alright y'all, so I'm about to head out. If you have any video requests for me for the month of December, let me know and I'll try my best to get to it. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.